Mark 5 Golf time, glow plug time, 2 litre turbo diesel. Let's take it to bits. Got to undo the fuel rail, crank them off. Now someone's done a lovely repair job here. I'm just going to take them out. Boom. Right, back pipes. 1 back pipe, 2 back pipe, 3 back pipe. 4 back pipe. Unplug each R. Come on. Cam cover. Off. Another one around here somewhere. There it is. Let's move it over slightly, like so. Right. That. Bracket. One. Yeah. Come on. Off. Get off. Click round the bracket. Off. Bolt out. Yeah. Bracket's still attached to something. Can't see! I can't see! Right, getting a little bracket off would be an absolute mission because it's connected to these DPF pipes. So I've left that on and I've just put a couple of cable ties through these little eyelet things because they've got metal inserts, and if they fall out they go ding 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 right through your engine and it'll be naff. So we've tied them up, pushed the pipes back here, zippy tie around the top of the actuator, which is on top of the turbo, moves everything back. Next, what cover pulled back? Breather pipe. There's that one. And there's that one. Right, breather pipe is removed. Next, get that out. Cannot I find a way? Yes. Cable tie and strap that down to there. Zip it tie. Through there, through there, through there, and that. Right, what cover's now uncovered? Time to unbolt. Torque drive, where's that? Bang! In there. Ooh, 1. And they don't come out. Good. 2. And last but not least, last one. And give it a yank. There it goes. She's off. She's off. Come to da-da. Gaskets on there. Make sure the bolts are still there. Yep. Right, someone's give the hell out of that gasket. Yummy. We're in. We are in. Okay, let's have a look. Where are these lovely glow plugs? Right, they're in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lovely. Right, so now what we've got to do, pull the connectors out. Pop, 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 all 4. These plugs here are your injector plugs. Make sure that they're all plugged in nice. Sometimes they do come out. That's all sweet. Good. Right, so let's do this. Right, Lono pliers in the top. There's like a little hole. Get them gently. Pop, off they come. Be very careful because the wires, where they're immersed in oil, they go really brittle and fall to pieces. Nice. Pop, 2. Gently does it. Sit. Last one. Pop. Come on, Betsy. There we go. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Bosh. Next job. Got to take glow plugs out. You need a tool. Need one of these. This is an 8mm on like a UJ, a wibbly wobbly. So whip. Now get that in there. Fish it down. Right. The tool's on now. Go undo them. The question is, will they come out or will they snap? Normally, these aren't too bad. There we go. Normally these ain't too bad because where they sit inside the rock cover, they are constantly immersified, like immersed in oil. So normally, they don't snap. Right. Come on, Betsy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let go. Let go. Let go. Boom. And then we should be able to get along this blast. Get onto it. Da da da. And boom! There she is. And that is one dead glue plug. Tip's burning nicely though, so it's not too bad. What you're looking for is covered in soot, and also we're looking for them to be wet with diesel. Right. See ya. Right, next. Get the torch. You can see what I'm doing. On there. Boom. There's some on there. Right. And. Yes! Game on. Game on. Last but not least. Come on. Come on. Come on, Betsy. And oh yes! Oh, I love you. I love you, little girl. Right, baby. All glow plugs removed. Now we've got to get new ones out, put new ones in with a bit of copper grease. Boom. Put it all back together. Sweet. Right, time to put new glow plugs in. First things first, get your new glow plugs, get your old glow plugs, put them side by side and make sure that they are the same length from collar to tip. If they are longer or shorter, do not fit them, because if they're longer, they go straight through the tip of your piston, and if they're shorter, they will glow inside the head and they won't do anything. Right, so here we go. Next job, we've got to put it back in. Now, you can just fish them straight in, but then you'll have trouble getting the socket on the top. So the best way is get a nice bit of rubber pipe, like that, a nice bit of flexor pipe. Get a bit of grease. Grease the thread, grease the shaft, and grease the tip. Just smother it. Put it in the bin. If you get any carbon or anything in there, it will snag and snap the tip clean off it. And it's not good when you snap your tip. So, get your torch, fish her in, into the hole. And use a bit of pipe, just screw her in. 1, 2, like so, all the way down. That's it, and that's all the way down, and pop, off she comes. Torque wrench, got to do it up now. Now, it's supposed to do up 15 newton meters or 11 foot-pound. I've got it set at 11 foot-pound. I will say with these, if it don't feel like it's going to get to 11 foot-pound, don't just keep cranking until it reaches it, because you might snap something. That's it. Simple as. Gentle does it, and then off she comes. Boom. Next one. Right, so all done now. Now I've got to put the connectors back on. This is very fiddly. First things first, get it back down into its position. I've hold a bit at the top. Simple as. Move it down. Move it down. That's that one. Right, so glow plug connectors are all down. Now we get a little bar, stick it on the top, just give me a little push. Yep. Yep. And yep. Done. Right, next job. Whoever's been here before me has basically silicon assassinated the top of this engine. There is silicon everywhere. Basically, why? Like, just put a new gasket in, mate. Like, come on. Right, the only bit of silicon that should be on this entire engine is just on these little corner sections there and there, where the gasket comes down. It bows around the top of this lobe here, where the connector comes through. The rest of it should be fine. You should be able to go on dry. So now, moi has got to get a knife, a blade, and I've got to scrape it all off. Lovely. And when you do it, if someone's done this to you and they've been like really nice to you, don't let it fall in the engine, because the pickups on these get clogged very easy. So everything you take off, you've got to make sure you remove it out of the cylinder. So when you blade it off, try to blade it out of the head and pick it away. So, get a blade. Right, it's whacking time. Time to clean. Wipe all that junk off. Yummy, 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 yummy. We're all clean. All good. Ready to rock. Probably get a stick there actually. Bit of smell. There we go. Clean. Right, rock cover. And nice. Guess what? More silicon. Lovely. Right, back in a minute once I clean this off. Right, got one cover gasket on. Put a little bit of Dob sealant there and there. So now we are ready to put this cover back on. Gently does it. And there she goes. And she goes. Simple as. No, just got to bolt the bolts down. Right, let's bolt it down. One. Slowly but surely work it down into place. Bit at a time. Get all the bolts down. God. Right. It's all bolted down now. When you tighten this up, try to stagger it. Open up one over there. One there. And there. One there. that. Next, three part back on. Pop, it's back on. So there we go. It's all back down. Got the main fuel rail clip back down. Main charge like three pipes back in here. Three pipes all back in. Just have a look around the back, make sure nothing's caught between the range. Down. Right, there you go. Sorted. That is how you do set of glow plugs on a BMN engine in a Volkswagen Golf GTI 2 litre diesel. Bosh. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe and share my videos about, and we'll go from there. Thank you very much.